One. I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine here at the 2011 Charleston Home and Design Show. We're speaking with Charlie Ledford with Ledford's Termite and Pest Control. How you doing, Charlie?
Good, very good.
Good. What is Ledford's Termite and Pest Control best known for?
I think we're best known for being a small company, personal service. We have a lot of employees who have been with us 20 years or more. Rich has been with us 35 years, and we've got a lot of people who have been at least 10 years or more. That's the majority of them.
Gotcha. What have you been talking to homeowners about this weekend at the 2011 Charleston Home and Design Show?
Mostly about green pest control. Everybody's talking about, stuff that's more environmentally friendly, and also a little bit about termites. We've brought some stuff we've found in houses over the years. And
can you kind of show us a couple of the examples of what you're talking about?
We've got where they've chewed through a wax. The termites have come through a wax ring, and they built a.
The wax ring would be on the base of a toilet.
Yeah, and they actually came through the wax ring and made a carton inside the toilet drain. So every time the toilet flushed, they got moisture. And this is on the second floor of a house in Park Shore, so they were hard to find.
Right, right.
And then we've got carton material where people. This you can see the insulation on this carton right here. This was between floor joists, and the termites literally built a carton up. Actually, this one was actually in a stud wall. They actually built a carton out of the.
Yeah, it's the exact same dimensions as a 2x4.
It sure is, and they had moisture in this thing, so they were getting moisture to live.
And was this Formosan termites?
Formosans. All these were Formosans, and we also brought. This is a green piling like you'd see on a beach house, typical beach house, or a pier. And you probably can't see it on the camera, but you can see where the green penetrated here. But right in this dead center right here is not. And we're seeing a lot of these, a few, where the termites will come through the middle. And they'll come through the middle of it, get in the house. And people think, well, they're sitting on these green pilings, they're safe. Not necessarily the case.
Should every homeowner have a termite contract on their home, a termite bond?
In this area, we're from Wilmington all the way down through Florida, back towards Houston, Texas. We happen to be a seaport, and the Formosans have been here for years. And yeah, if you don't have a termite contract down here on anything, it's not good.
And Charlie, you are kind of famous because you were. I remember watching you. You've been on national television with the Flip This House program that used to be around. It's kind of in a different format now, but with the Trademark Properties folks, Flip This House, and I can recall they were looking at buying a house that had quite a bit of termite damage, and they called on their old friend Charlie Ledford with Ledford's Termite and Pest Control. Tell us about that.
Well, there was a couple of them. One particular stands out in my mind. Was down by Hampton Park, and
Congress Street.
Yeah, and it seemed like the more we dug into it, the worse it got, and they couldn't decide what to do. I think at one point they were actually talking about tearing the house down, but I don't think the BAR was going to let them tear it down. So it was going to be very expensive to remodel or repair. So that was one of my favorite ones.
What was it like being on national TV?
I didn't really know. I didn't know if it was going to be a national thing, a local thing. I had no idea it was going to take off like that.
Right. Well, how can folks get in touch with Ledford's Termite and Pest Control?
You can call us 766-8298. We're on Savannah Highway. We service the whole Low Country area, and we also service Columbia as well.
Okay, terrific. We've been talking with Charlie Ledford with Ledford's Termite and Pest Control here at the 2011 Charleston Home and Design Show. Thank you, Charlie.
Thank you.